Alright, welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to make your vent on your left side, your driver's side vent, how to close it and how to open it on a Toyota RAV4. That's how you do it. So what you do is you get into your car. Let me show you. This is a Toyota RAV4. And in the parking lot, this is what we do. We take videos, see? Toyota ravioli. And so what you do is you get in your driver's seat just like so. And then you point over here. And this right here is the vent. So when you have the heat or the air conditioning blowing towards you right here, when this is activated or whatever the default setting is, and it's blowing towards you, this is the air comes out at you, little particles, a bunch of particles of air. So it's open. Now it's closed. You push that, open. Now it's closed. So that's how you do that. And the other ones, you can do the same thing, except you go left and right. This one actually doesn't close. It just kind of slants it either for the air to blow that way or this way. So that's how that works. That's how you adjust your vent outputs in a Toyota RAV4. And I mean that's all there is to it. I mean, I got change down here, a whole bunch of pennies. It's really hard to spend pennies. I don't know why they even make pennies anymore, but they should all go by fives and zeros, like 5, 10, 15, 20, and just forget about the 1, 2, 3, and 4 cents on the dollar. So or 6, 7, 8, and 9, but whatever. Just make it all by fives. I guess that'd be too difficult, but yeah, so that's it. Okay, this is part of my bonus video. End recycling. We need to stop recycling. You know why? Because the earth, nature already recycles. So this whole point of recycling, it doesn't make any sense. All right. If you have an aluminum can, throw it in the trash. It'll end up in a landfill, and then a million years from now, it'll be something else. Okay. Now, if you go recycle it to a place, you're just making someone else money. They're going to take the aluminum and they're going to melt it down, and they're going to make it into another aluminum product, and it's going to be sold. You're going to buy it, and you're just into recycling. That doesn't make it. I mean, it's a lot of nonsense. And a lot of clothes that you recycle, you think they go to people in need, you're really putting crutches on them. Some really do need it, but a lot, they don't need it. They're fine. Or it ends up in big giant landfills, or not a landfill, but like big old piles in some third world country. But then, in a million years it'd be something else. So back to the point of in a million years, recycling. So I don't know why, but it is whatever. Alright, I'm trying to get as much content as I can get. So I gotta record as much as I can. Usually, that's how I lock the car. So should be what I did. But my nose is bleeding today. It just started bleeding from the dry air. My left nostril, it just starts bleeding. So I got not really a tampon, but you tampon it up. You put a pad. You put it's a little gauze pad. Just stuff it up the nose, and that's what I did. Put a little gauze. This is all a little 2x2 gauze pad and shoved up my nose. But maybe, or you get to see people's comments and what they say, and people really do hang on every word you say. At least some people. and they'll like it or dislike it, and then they'll give you feedback. Now you get a lot of feedback, and I like responding. I used to respond in a public relation type way, where I'd be like, "Thank you," or I wouldn't respond at all if it was negativity. Now it's more of the effect of trying to, I respond back like it's not a PR move. It's like, like someone called me like stupid. Oh, you're talking about yourself, huh? I'll say something like that. Oh, you're talking about yourself, huh? Or they'll ask me what kind of car it is, and I might have already answered that question, but I might say, it's a 1776 I don't know, 1776 Ross Perot 4-cylinder engine. I don't know, whatever. But so it's very gratifying. The process of editing, I used a free whatever comes with the computer that I have at the time, because my computers they only work for 2 or 3 years, because in my opinion it's from looking at incognito type stuff on the internet, and I try to go to the same website all the time since it's all consolidated into a hub now. But those type of videos, so it's I guess it's safer to watch those videos without getting a virus or a bacteria. But even still, there's so much malware and all this. There's so much stuff out there, and your computers are pretty much planned obsolescence. And I pay $400, $500, maybe $400 for a computer, and they last 2 years. I don't know. I mean, they could last longer, but they don't, because I use it like almost every day, and I just visit, websites every day. Well, I just have a lot of testosterone, I guess. I'm built to reproduce. So, but anyway, so that mechanism is ingrained. I'm just built to reproduce. So anyway, but yeah, that's fantastic that we have that. We have that virtuality. We have that. Back in the day, it was like get a magazine, or before that, maybe a book with an image in it. I mean, guys were visual, but today it's like high definition. Wow, anything you can think of, anything you can type. People are doing it because it's money. Yeah. Anyway, getting off topic here. Videos, it's the act of you upload it, and then I think it's I don't know if it's validation or what, but it's people are actually watching it and they're listening to you, and maybe they think I don't have anything going on, and I don't have anything going on, my free time, and I'm getting some McDonald's right now. I'm not hungry, but thirsty.